Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, so let me do it. And here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites, and of course you can remove all of them one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove all of them or remove some more browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure it will be marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, here we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So let's tap on clear data, and we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.